How to sync your device contacts with your Microsoft Teams account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts on your device with your Microsoft Teams. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and go to settings here, the fourth option, and go down until you find the option of people. Click on people. Now here you will find this option of sync my device contacts. You can enable it or disable it from here. It's very easy and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.